And I'm Mom Jovi. This video talks about the select and option elements. What is select element? The select element contains and configures the select list form control. The select tag denotes the beginning of the select list, while the closing select tag denotes the end of the select list. Attributes configure the number of options to display and whether more than one option item may be selected. Here are the common attributes of the select element. The first one is name, and then the value of name at the value. It is alphanumeric, no spaces, begins with a letter. The purpose. It names the form element so that it can be easily accessed by client-side scripting languages or by server-side processing. The name should be unique, meaning to say walang kaparehas. Okay? The ID attribute. Okay, next, the value. So the value of an ID attribute is alphanumeric, no spaces, begins with a letter. How about its purpose? It provides a unique identifier for the form element. The size attribute. The value of a size attribute could be numeric, no spaces, begins with a letter. The purpose? It configures the number of choices that the browser will display. If set to 1, the element function as a drop-down list, scroll bars are automatically added by the browser. If the number of options exceeds the space allowed, the multiple attribute. So the value of a multiple attribute is multiple. The purpose, it configures a select list to accept more than one choice by default. Only one choice can be made from select list. The disabled attribute, its value will be disabled. So the purpose, form control is disabled. The tab index attribute, its value is numeric value. The purpose, it configures the tab order of the form control. The option element. The option element contains and configures an option item displayed in the select list form control. The option tag denotes the beginning of the option item, while the closing option tag denotes the end of the option item. Okay, here are the various option attributes. The value attribute. So the value of the value attribute can be text or numeric characters, while its purpose is that it assigns a value to the option. This can be accessed by client-side and server-side processing. The selected attribute, the value of the selected attribute is selected. Its purpose is it configures an option to be initially selected when displayed by a browser. The disabled attribute, its value is disabled. The purpose, form control is disabled. Okay, so I am going to demonstrate how to create uh, select and option elements. How to use rather select and option element in HTML5. So what I'm going to do first is to view this one because I want to go live. So going back, and I'm going to select here the go live button. As you can see, click to live server. Here's the live server, go live. And then there you go. It turns into 127 into an IP address. So say it's arrived already, go live, so that I will no longer be refreshing the button once I add some tags or elements. Okay, so let's start. I am going to encode the font tag. So here, it must be small, of course, not caps, form, and then, okay, since I am going to demonstrate how to create the GUI, the graphical user interface, I'll just leave the action blank. because I'll be creating a separate video for the scripting, the client side scripting language as well as the server side scripting language. This is only for the video. So I will be my objective is to display the different the 10 famous programming languages to learn for 2020 according to simplylearn.com. The number one programming language to learn for 2023 is JavaScript. Okay, so name, I am going to assign this name as field languages because I'll be displaying different programming languages, and this one the ID is field languages as well. Okay, field languages, and then between the select tag, I'm going to use the option tag here, option. So just select this. As you can see, there is a value. We are going to assign a value because we will be using this when we do the scripting part. So if the first programming language that I want to display is JavaScript, I will be putting here JavaScript. Yeah, as you can see, meron na tayo dun, guys. So look at that. We have already select here this one. I'm telling to this, but nothing appears once you are with that yet. Put something here. So I'll be typing here JavaScript. Okay. According to simplylearn.com, the first one is JavaScript. Then another option. Okay, then we have another option. Another option is Python. So I'm going to make use of Python and then add Python in between, and then let's check our output. So THY Python. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay. So next, so the third programming language is Go, followed by Java. So option. Okay, so that I can do it very quick. I'll just copy this one and then I'm going to customize its content. Okay, so I'll copy it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 pala. It's going to be featuring 10. So right after Python is Go, I'll convert this into Go. So it will become Go, and this one will become okay, Go. And then this one will become right after Python. It's Go, and then JavaScript. We have, so no, it's not JavaScript, it's Java. Okay, Java. And this one will become Java. And then followed by Kotlin, a Kotlin programming language. Let's add Kotlin here. Yeah, Kotlin. We forgot this one, the closing. Make sure that the closing quotation is visible or present so that everything will be fine. So Kotlin, right after Kotlin is PHP and PHP, and then we put PHP here, PHP. Right after PHP is the C sharp. I'll be using the word C and sharp, C sharp, but on this part, we'll be using the symbol. It's just like a C and then this one, right? And then we have as well the Swift, and then the R, and then the Swift programming language, and then encode the Swift here, SWIFT, and then I have as well the R programming language and R. So this is R, and this is the last one is Ruby programming language. Okay, RUBY, and this will be here. So RUBY, and then of course I am going to make this capital. Okay, so there you go. Let's check. Yeah. Okay. Attribute the size attribute. So it's live already. Let's go live. Go live. There you go. Let's go live. Okay, so you can see any changes that I will be adding. Let's say where I am going rather to add size here, and I want to display all the options. So I will be entering the value 10 here. There you go. So all the options are visible. If I want to use one option only, so I will be using, no, sorry, not 1, 5. There you go, 5. And then I want to select Java. So I'll go to Java and then I will use the attribute selected. The value is equal to selected. Okay. So there you go. As you can see, by default, the Java is selected. Okay. So you can now transfer. That's how the size and value, size attribute and the selected attribute of the option element functions rather. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. See ya on my next video.